friends, welcome to Ahlu Arts channel. I'm Uma. This video we are going to see most beautiful handmade simple DIY gift for Valentine's Day. Last video we have seen how to crochet a heart, right? At that time I told you we'll make something with that as a gift. So this is what we are going to see this in this video, okay? First of all, very happy Valentine's Day to all our friends and families. Love is what something that keep us alive and keep us human and keep our heart filled with kindness. So cherish love to one another. Make a world a better place. Okay, let's start doing this amazing gift. What I want is, this is a cake pad. You can get it in store in a round cake, or you can have a rectangle or square shape cardboard also. This is available in store, or you can cut any cardboard you have in a round shape. Okay, and then you have to have a 5 crochet heart, which we have seen in the last video. I'll share the link in the description. Make this. You can have the heart in the same color or two colors, the inside heart and the border in one color, and all the 5 hearts are in the same one, or you can make solid hearts with 5 different colors as I made. Okay, this one will give you a rainbow color structure, so that's why I have done different hearts. Okay, now what I'm doing is, you need to have a photograph to keep it in the middle. Please pardon the image. Okay, this is the last time haribari printout I have taken, so please pardon me. You have a photograph, fix it in the center of your cardboard. Okay, and use a glue, sorry, you can use the normal glue or a hot glue gun, or the one which we will always use for yarns, the E900, E6900, or whichever gum that you want to use. Okay, stick the photo in the middle and make sure it sticks correct. Okay, so there won't be any messiness in the back end. You can always have this white color to be shown on the back side also, but since we want the glue to be stick perfectly, I'm using the white one on the front. Okay, so now position your hearts one on top of the other. If one arch of the heart is outside, then the other arch should be on the below, like this. And it totally depends on how big your heart is and how big your cardboard is. It's totally up to you how you are placing this. Okay, if you want, you can take a big cardboard and have the end of the heart also to be sticked in the cardboard, but I don't want that. I want the heart edge to be free, so that's why I have taken a smaller edge. Okay, so this is what I am going to do now. Insert, use the glue, paste it here. Okay, the same way I'm going to paste all the 5 hearts in the round. Okay, paste it and I'll show you how to finish that. Okay, see, I have glued all the 5 hearts in the side. Okay, I have glued the edge of each heart to the other heart also, so that it won't bend or it won't roll over. Okay, and finally what I'm going to do is take any yarn. This is optional. If you want to have a thumbnail in the cardboard, you can have it, or you can have the yarn to glue it in the top. You have to make sure that it's the top end to have the yarn glued over. You can use a cello tape, but it won't be much feasible to use a tape for this, so that's why I'm sorry, the glue was open for a long time, so it is a little hard, but yeah, you can have a glue in the yarn to make sure it is attached perfectly, and on that top, once the glue is dried, you can have a tape. Okay, so let it dry. Make sure it okay. So once it is dried, we are all good to hang it and give this as a Valentine Day gift. I hope you like this video. It's just a simple instruction video, as promised when we do the crochet heart. So please like, share and comment if you like, and once again, happy Valentine's Day to each one of you who support us and help us to keep the channel alive. I love you, and from the bottom of my heart, I wish you all success and happiness. Thank you. Bye.